So you can see the market. I just said, let me just show you just a little of what I've done. So today is Monday. You can see, let me just be noting so that you understand. So we had the high here, which is our liquidity, and we have our liquidity here. You get? So remember last week we established GU was selling. So we had the break of structure here. Let me show you the break of structure here. So this break of structure validate it came through from here, which is here, to this gap. It filled the gap here. So it filled the gap here. So it ran to see the low here. So after sweeping this low, we are waiting for, this is a break of structure, which is our breaker. So we're waiting for what? Retracement back into it. So you can see that we had a retracement back from here to this breaker. So you can see that when it came, it started running. So the next liquidity we'll be looking for is the liquidity that will come to sweep this particular place. So we'll be waiting for it. You can see I've opened a position. You can see that I've opened a position. So it's just simple. We just wait for the market to see what the market will offer, will deliver. That's just for just a simple analysis. Remember, I said identify where your order flow is, where the market is heading to. After identifying, look for a breaker or a break of structure and retracement into the breaker. This validates your trading. It's just as simple as that. If you can identify where liquidity is residing, for example, the order flow on the higher high or in the lower low, or on any low or any high, then the next step is to look for key levels, key area the market will be reaching or retracing back to, like the breaker, or those are void to fill. So now we have waited. You can see that the market came and break the structure here. So we looked for, the next step is for market to retrace back into the breaker. So now the market have retraced back into the breaker. So we'll be waiting for the market to come and sweep the low here. You can see we open position here, we open our position here, and so we can add another position if you want, if you like. Let me just add another position. So remember, I said our stop loss will be here, right? So go ahead and set our stop loss and our target. I'm not teaching risk management now, so I will not go into that, but I know what I'm looking for. So this is where our stop loss is, right? You can see how the market is responding to this level that we just opened position. So remember, we had 2 positions. So we're looking for, you can see, just open my stop loss. I will be teaching on risk management and trade management, but for now I'm showing you how precise and our trade can be. So remember, I said this is the break of structure, and we came and tap into it. This is our stop loss, which we have opened, so we'll just delete it. This is where we are, what we are looking for. So you can see that this is not just a guesswork. Just know what you're doing, you're good to go. You can see that where we just opened our second position, just started delivering from there. So that's just for it. We'll just wait for the price to deliver and see if we'll get what we want. So this is Monday market, Monday section, which is the New York section. We'll just wait patiently. Those that trade FX know that the trading in the FX market is the game of patience. It's not enough for you to be precise, but you have to be patient to wait for your delivery. Go back to your chart and check. Go and check some of the analysis I gave. And you see, I just did this analysis on my phone. I didn't even open my system or PC. So it's just straightforward. The moment you know where the market is heading to, you will definitely know where your entry point should be and the rest. So see when it delivers. We'll show you to the end, but we'll have to be patient. Thank you. So you can see what we have. The price is delivering to our target. I decided to shift close to the close of the candle just to stay on the safer side. Okay, so that's it. Price respected our level, which is the break of structure, and you can see that price is heading. So we are looking at this low for price to come, and this is our target of liquidity. Okay, so that's it for now.